Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This one-owner 2011 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 21,958 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines slip-on muffler, open-air intake, an aquatic AV multifunction head unit, pinstriping, headlight and running light visors, and smoke turn signal lenses. From Harley, it comes well equipped with 4 speakers, cruise control, CB intercom connections, reverse, and a security system with a proximity fob. Powered by Harley's reliable 103 cubic inch twin cam motor with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE puts out 101 foot-pounds of torque at 3,250 RPM. With plenty of storage, spacious and comfortable accommodations, and ample protection from the elements, the TRIGLIDE offers the experience and thrills of grand touring, but on the stability of 3 wheels. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.